morning guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today is my second day in Benue, right? I got in really late last night from Taraba, so I'm heading out now. On my list is the Tortoise Palace, the pottery, the big market, the airport. Did you know there was an airport in Benue State? Well, now you do. So I'm going to take you around all of these places. This is Tosi. That's what it says. Teso. This is Teso, and he is going to take me around town today. So sit back. If you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe, like, share, and comment, and binge on my other content. They're really interesting. Trust me, you're going to learn one or two things before you leave my channel. Benue State is known in Nigeria as the food basket of the nation. If you know anything about Benue, it is their rich agricultural heritage. This beautiful roundabout welcomes you once you get into the town of Makurdi, and it represents what they are best known for. Benue is a civil service middle belt state in Nigeria that is bounded by Cross River, Kogi, Nasarawa, Taraba, and where else? And Ebonyi. It gets its name from the river that cuts across it, which is this bridge I'm on right now, the River Benue, and this is one of the largest rivers in the country. So there are two rivers that cut across the country, across Nigeria. Is the River Niger and the River Benue. So right now I'm on top of River Benue. So we're heading to a place where their traditional fabrics are made. There are four major tribes in Benue. They are the Idoma, Tiv, Igede, and Etulo. I'm not sure I'm pronouncing that right, but they all have different fabrics that represent their culture. The people of Benue are predominantly farmers and then fishermen as well. So the people who live close to the water bodies are fishermen, and then the people who live in the other parts are farmers, which of course gives rise to the name, the food basket of the nation. I'm very excited about this trip. I was very excited about this trip because I'm actually voicing over right now, and let's just get right to the point where I see where this fabric are made. What do you think of Ange? So I'm at the Ange Factory in Makurdi. They said it's pronounced Makurdi of Benue State. I'm a few kilometers away from the very famous river Benue Bridge actually. So you know there are two major rivers in Nigeria, River Niger and River Benue. So I'm somewhere around River Benue, and I'm here where this is made. I'm going to show you the process. I'm excited. I don't know if you can tell. And this is the traditional material, the traditional fabric of the Benue people. Then there's the Tiv, there's Igala, right? There's Igala in Benue as well, right? Yeah. So this is Idoma, Igala, and Tiv. So this is their traditional. This one is Igede. This one
Igede.
Is yeah, Igede people. Igede. This one is for the Igede people. For Idoma. Tiv. Which one is for Idoma?
Look at this one. Yeah.
Oh, so Igede, Idoma,
Tiv,
and
Idoma, and Igede.
Right. I hope you've learned something. I'm going to show you.
This one is Benue.
Oh, right.
Benue United. All the whole logo.
Yeah. Okay, so this represents all the tribes in Benue. As you can see, it's a color mix. Yeah. So you can use this you can tie this. They usually wear a white shirt, white blouse, and tie it down, and then they use this on their hair or their head, right? The scarf is on the head. Yeah, so that's what it is. I'm excited. I went a little bit late to this place, so I met just one person doing the fabric. So this is how it is done. It is a manual process, and this guy is so dedicated to his job. I was so excited to see this process. I remember when I was younger on NTA, when they had those specials, and then they would go to all of these places where they weave fabric. I feel like Benue has a huge tourism potential that is yet to be exploited, and a lot of the agricultural produce that are produced in Benue remain in Benue, and are not exported to other parts. There's inadequate road network or transportation network that would take their produce to other parts of the country and even export them. The airport is yet to be functional. I couldn't go to the airport because it was at the naval base and I didn't have access to it, but I do not think that it's fully functional and open to the public. So this is just a few kilometers from the bridge, like I said earlier, and if you ever find yourself in Benue, you should definitely pick up a piece of their fabric. And of course, as the food basket of the nation, I had to visit their market to see their rich agricultural produce myself. This market is called the Wurukum Market and it is the largest market in Makurdi. Enjoy the view. 50. So give me 300. How much for ginger? How much for ginger?
Ginger 50. 150.
Just
mix 300. This one are 200.
Mix it. Mix it.
Oh, mix it.
Just keep moving. What is this? It's what? So how do you cook this one? How do you cook it? How do you cook it? How do you cook? How they cook it? With a goosey. So it's like leaf. What do you say the name is? Atieve.
Yes.
This is slimy now. This is a wedu leaf.
Yes.
This is a wedu leaf.
Yes.
What is this one? It's a vegetable.
Well, just almost a vegetable now. For you, then get this one.
Oh, okay. So that's like the seed of this one. What do you say the name is? What's the name of this? Aninge.
Yes.
So this is aninge and it's also a vegetable. Who knows this thing? This thing is mushroom. In my dad has to call it in the Oh my god. Let's see. This is, I know this leaf, I know this thing. Shebi is slimy. It's like okra, like it draws now. In my language, they call it akam. What do you call it? Bambe. I know it, guys. I know it. If you're from Northern Kosovo, you know it. This is dawa. So this is Wurukum Market. Wurukum. This is the largest market in Makurdi. And okay, let me ask. Sorry, please. How much is pepper? 150, and this is Sakashi 150, 100 naira.
This one is new.
I know this one. This is dawa now. Have you?
Hello.
Come and put for me. Do you know what this is? This is termites. This is chenge. So 100.
Look at what I was saying that time in Boko. Yo.
This brings this episode to a close. We're going to have a second episode from Benue State. Do make sure you watch. Thank you for watching this one. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't. It's just by clicking the subscribe button that is right there looking at you, and it's absolutely free. Thank you so much for all the support. I do not take it for granted. I had fun in Benue and I hope you've had fun or you've learned a thing or two.